So, a trailer, or hello to all my subscribers and friends. Look at that trailer. It's actually trailer for ads. But actually it's, I would say that probably around 2 meters at least wide in the bottom. And let's say 3 meters high. Something like that, yes, I would say 3 meters high. Now, if you would just do something with it, not a lot. Actually here I'm sure that 2 homeless people can easily sleep inside. Yes? So, you know, it's a lot of options around the world which they're just standing without any real sense, which you can use and save homeless people. Easy. So, you know, even in the winter time, if they would spend time here, like, you know, they can use the toilets around, because it's a restaurant just around the corner normally, like Ed is saying about that. And you know, you could put some insulation inside, easy, you know, the floor, and easy. Even you can have a little bit of place even to put some kind of a chemical toilet if that is a necessity. But for sure 2 people can easily sleep here, and you save homelessness, at least for 2 people. And at the same time you can have a great advertising. You know, you've done a good job, and you still have great advertising. I love you all. God Francie from Balaton, and certainly opposite of that big M, like everybody knows.